Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular platforms for marketers and agencies, GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. Let's get started. First, let's talk about GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built specifically for digital marketers and agencies. It offers funnels, email and SMS marketing, CRM, and even tools for client management. One of GoHighLevel's biggest advantage is its automation capabilities. It allows you to manage client relationships, automate campaigns, and track leads in all-in-one place. Plus, it's a great tool for agencies because you can white label it and resell the services under your own brand. Now let's talk about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the go-to platform for building sales funnels that convert. It's highly focused on helping businesses optimize their online sales process. You can easily create landing pages, upsell offers, and checkout processes without needing any technical skills. ClickFunnels excels at driving conversions and scaling sales, but it's more focused on the funnel building side and lacks some of the CRM and client management features that GoHighLevel offers. So if you're an agency or digital marketer looking for an all-in-one platform to manage funnels, campaigns, and clients, then GoHighLevel is the better choice. But if you're specifically looking for build high-converting funnels and focus solely on your sales process, ClickFunnels is the best option.